What if memory isn't just something that happens in your brain, but is a fundamental feature of the universe itself? Look at it this way. We usually consider memory to be stored data, like files on a hard drive. But data on its own is meaningless. It only becomes meaningful when it is structured and interpreted within a system. Meaning arises not from the data itself, but from its context. The universe provides this context. It is how the ultimate source can make sense of its own infinite potential, a kind of cosmic cognition that turns this infinite potential into definite, conceivable, measurable realities. For this infinite potential to be realizable, it needs to be processable, which requires feedback loops of information. In other words, memory. Perhaps this is why the universe doesn't run on fine-tuned laws by accident. It needs to settle into creatively workable patterns and remember this information to make sense of its own infinite potential. Like the language or the grammar of reality, without such creation-stabilizing laws that create the universe, nothing would make sense, and so nothing could be created. And if nothing is creatable, how could its infinite potential ever be more than nothing? The ultimate source of the universe simply cannot stagnate like this, so it must keep rising from this nothingness, and that means it must keep creating and remembering its own infinite potential.